Welcome to Inside Fairy Tale English, where stories become your English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Inside Fairy Tale English. I'm Sophia.
And I'm James. Hey, everyone. How are you today?
We're so happy you're here with us. Today is a special day. We have a beautiful story to share.
Yes, it's a story about summer and winter. It's about working and playing. It's a very famous story.
That's right, James. Today we're going to tell you The Ant and the Grasshopper.
Oh, I love this story. It's a classic tale. Do you know the story? Maybe you heard it when you were a child.
I think many people know this story. It's from a very long time ago. The story teaches us something important about life.
Before we start, I have a question for you. A question for everyone listening. Are you ready?
Here's the question. Do you like summer or winter more?
That's a good question. I love summer. Summer is warm. The sun is bright. I can go outside and play.
I like both seasons. Summer is beautiful, but winter is cozy. Winter is a time to rest and stay warm inside.
That's true. Every season is special. And in today's story, summer and winter are very important.
The ant loves to work in summer. The grasshopper loves to play in summer. What happens when winter comes?
That's the big question. Let's find out together.
But first, let me ask you one more thing. When you have free time, do you work or do you play?
Ugh, that's hard. I like to play, but I know I need to work too.
Me too. Balance is important. We need time to work. We also need time to play.
That's exactly what our story is about today. It's about finding balance.
Are you ready to hear the story? Let's begin our magical journey.
Let's go.
Our story starts on a beautiful summer day. The sun is shining, the sky is blue, everything is warm and bright.
In a big green field, there lives an ant. The ant is very small, but the ant is very busy.
Every day, the ant wakes up early. The ant goes to work. The ant carries food back to his home.
One grain at a time, step by step, the ant works all day long.
In the same field, there is a grasshopper. The grasshopper is green. The grasshopper has long legs. He can jump very high.
The grasshopper loves to sing. He loves to dance. He loves to play in the warm sunshine.
One day, the grasshopper sees the ant. The ant is carrying a big piece of wheat. The wheat is heavy, but the ant keeps walking.
The grasshopper jumps over to the ant. He says, "Hello, ant. What are you doing?"
The ant stops. He says, "Hello, grasshopper. I'm working. I'm collecting food for winter."
The grasshopper laughs. He says, "Winter? Winter is so far away. Why are you working now?"
The ant smiles. He says, "Winter will come soon. When winter comes, there is no food. I need to prepare now."
The grasshopper laughs again. He says, "You work too much. Come and play with me. Let's sing together."
The ant shakes his head. He says, "I can't play now. I have work to do. Maybe you should prepare too."
But the grasshopper doesn't listen. He says, "No, thank you. I want to enjoy summer. Summer is for fun."
And the grasshopper jumps away. He sings a happy song. He dances in the sunshine.
Days pass. Weeks pass. The ant works every single day. He carries food. He stores food. He prepares for winter.
The grasshopper plays every single day. He sings in the morning. He dances in the afternoon. He rests under the trees.
Summer is ending now. The days are getting shorter. The air is getting cooler.
The ant is still working. His home is full of food. He has wheat. He has seeds. He has everything he needs.
The grasshopper is still playing. He's not worried. He thinks, "There's still time. I can find food later."
Then one day, something changes. The weather becomes cold, very cold.
The leaves fall from the trees. The grass turns brown. The flowers are gone.
Summer is here. Snow begins to fall. Everything is white. Everything is frozen.
The ant is safe in his warm home. He has plenty of food. He can rest now.
But the grasshopper is in trouble. He looks for food, but there is nothing. The field is empty. Everything is covered in snow.
The grasshopper is cold. He is hungry. He doesn't know what to do.
He remembers the ant. He thinks, maybe the ant can help me.
The grasshopper goes to the ant's home. He knocks on the door. Knock, knock, knock.
The ant opens the door. He sees the grasshopper. The grasshopper looks very sad.
The grasshopper says, "Dear ant, I'm so sorry. I didn't listen to you. Now I have no food. Can you help me?"
The ant looks at the grasshopper. He thinks for a moment.
Then the ant says, "Come inside. You must be very cold."
The grasshopper is surprised. He says, "Really? You will help me?"
The ant nods. He says, "Yes, come in. But I want to ask you something."
The grasshopper steps inside. The home is warm. There is food on the table.
The ant says, "What did you do all summer? Why didn't you prepare?"
The grasshopper looks down. He says, "I was singing. I was dancing. I was playing. I didn't think about winter."
The ant says, "I see. You enjoyed summer. That's good, but life needs balance."
The grasshopper nods slowly. He says, "You're right. I learned something today. I need to prepare for tomorrow."
The ant smiles. He says, "Yes, we can play, but we must also work. Both are important."
The ant shares his food with the grasshopper. They eat together. They talk together.
The grasshopper says, "Thank you, ant. I am so sorry. I didn't listen to you. Now I have no food. Can you help me?"
The ant says, "I believe you, and maybe I will play a little more too. Life is about balance."
And that's how the story ends. The ant and the grasshopper become friends. They both learn something new.
What a beautiful story. I love this tale so much.
Me too. It's simple, but it has a powerful message.
Now, let's talk about some important expressions from our story. We want to help you use these in your daily life.
Yes, we picked 5 great expressions for you today.
Expression number 1, step by step.
This means doing something slowly and carefully, one small action at a time.
In the story, the ant works step by step. He doesn't rush, he's patient.
Here's an example. I'm learning English step by step. That means you're learning slowly, little by little.
Another example, let's solve this problem step by step. That means we'll solve it slowly, not all at once.
This expression is very useful. You can use it for work, for study, for many things.
Expression number 2, far away.
This means something is not close. It's distant. It's not here yet.
In the story, the grasshopper says, winter is far away. He thinks winter will not come soon.
Here's an example. My dream is far away, but I'm working toward it.
Or you can say, the store is not far away. It's very close.
When you say something is far away, it can mean distance or time.
That's right. My birthday is far away means your birthday is many months from now.
Expression number 3, look down.
This is a physical action. You move your eyes down. You look at the ground.
But it also shows emotion. When someone looks down, they might feel sad or ashamed.
In our story, the grasshopper looks down. He feels sorry. He made a mistake.
Here's an example. When I made a mistake, I looked down. I felt embarrassed.
Or, don't look down. Be proud of yourself.
This expression shows body language and feelings together.
Expression number 4, think for a moment.
This means to pause and consider something, to take time before you answer or decide.
In the story, the ant thinks for a moment before he helps the grasshopper.
Here's an example. Let me think for a moment. I need time to decide.
Or, she thought for a moment, then smiled.
This expression is very polite. It shows you're being careful and thoughtful.
Yes, when someone asks you a question, you can say, let me think for a moment.
Expression number 5. Both are important.
This means two things have value. We need both things.
In the story, work and play are both important. We need both in life.
Here's an example. Study and rest are both important for students.
Or, listening and speaking are both important when learning English.
This expression helps you show balance. It shows that two different things can be good together.
Exactly. Not everything is black and white. Sometimes we need both.
So those are our 5 expressions. Step by step, far away, look down, think for a moment. Both are important.
Practice these expressions this week. Try to use them in your conversations.
And remember, learning is step by step. Don't worry if it takes time.
Now, let's talk about where this story comes from. It's very old and very famous.
That's right. The Ant and the Grasshopper is called a fable. A fable is a short story with a lesson.
This fable comes from ancient Greece. A man named Aesop told this story more than 2,000 years ago.
Aesop was a great storyteller. He created many fables. Each fable teaches us something about life.
Can you believe it? This story is over 2,000 years old, but people still tell it today.
That's because the message is timeless. It's true for any time, any place.
The story teaches us about preparation. It teaches us about thinking ahead.
In the original story, the ant doesn't help the grasshopper. The ending is more harsh.
But many modern versions, like ours today, show the ant being kind. He shares his food.
I like this version better. It adds another lesson, compassion, being kind to others.
Yes, so we learn 2 things. Prepare for the future and help others when they need it.
In different cultures, people tell this story in different ways, but the main idea stays the same.
Some versions have different animals. Some have a cricket instead of a grasshopper.
But the message doesn't change. Work is important. Preparation is important.
Now, let's think about this story in modern life. What does it mean for us today?
Well, I think it's about balance. We work hard today so we can rest tomorrow.
Exactly. Like saving money. We save now so we have money later.
Or like studying for a test. We study now so we can do well later.
But here's the thing. The story isn't saying never have fun. That's not the message.
That's so important to remember. The grasshopper was wrong because he only played. He never prepared.
Right. We need both. We need time to work and time to play.
As the ant said at the end, life is about balance.
I think many people forget this. Some people work too much. They forget to enjoy life.
And some people played too much. They don't think about tomorrow.
The key is finding your balance. What works for you?
For me, I like to work hard during the week, then on the weekend, I relax and have fun.
That's great. For me, I try to work in the morning and play in the evening.
See, everyone's balance is different. Find what works for you.
Another lesson from this story is preparation reduces stress.
Yes, when you prepare, you feel more peaceful. You're not worried.
The ant could relax in winter because he worked in summer. He was ready.
The grasshopper was stressed in winter because he didn't prepare. He was not ready.
So preparation gives you peace of mind. That's a wonderful feeling.
This story also teaches us to think about the future, not just today, but tomorrow too.
When you learn English step by step, you're being like the ant. You're preparing for your future.
Every word you learn, every sentence you practice, it's all preparation.
And one day, you'll be ready. You'll speak English with confidence.
So don't give up. Keep working step by step. Your future self will thank you.
Wow, what a beautiful story we shared today.
I know. The Ant and the Grasshopper has so much wisdom in such a simple tale.
It's time for our favorite part, today's English line.
Today's English line is from the story. It's what the ant said to the grasshopper.
Are you ready? Here it is.
Life is about balance.
Life is about balance.
Let's say it together, slowly. Life is about balance.
Life is about balance.
This is such a powerful sentence.
It's short, it's simple, but it's so true.
You can use this sentence in many situations. When your friend works too much, you can say, life is about balance.
When you feel stressed, remind yourself, life is about balance.
Work and play, study and rest, giving and receiving. Everything needs balance.
This week, I want you to think about balance in your life. What do you need more of?
Maybe you need more rest. Maybe you need more work. Maybe you need more fun.
Listen to your heart. Find your balance.
And remember, learning English is also about balance. Don't push too hard. Take your time.
Step by step, remember? Learn a little every day. That's the ant's way.
Before we go, let's review what we learned today.
We heard the story of the ant and the grasshopper. One prepared for winter, one did not.
We learned 5 useful expressions: step by step, far away, look down, think for a moment, and both are important.
We talked about the story's origin, ancient Greece, from Aesop's fables.
And we learned the moral: prepare for the future, but also enjoy the present. Find balance.
Your homework this week is simple. Try to use today's English line in a conversation.
Say, life is about balance to a friend. Write it in your journal. Say it to yourself.
The more you use it, the more natural it becomes.
And next time we meet, we'll have another beautiful fairy tale for you.
We love spending this time with you. Thank you for listening. Thank you for learning with us.
Keep practicing your English. Remember, step by step.
You're doing great. We're so proud of you.
Before we go, let's say our closing together, shall we?
Thank you for joining us today.
We're so happy to share this magical story with you.
See you next time on Inside Fairy Tale English.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.